Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by washing a small area on your inner forearm with soap and water. Dry the area thoroughly with a clean towel before applying balm. Apply a pea-sized amount, about 0.2 grams, to the test area and rub gently for 10 seconds. Wait calmly for 24 hours and watch for redness, itching, swelling, or burning. If any irritation appears, stop using the balm immediately and rinse with cool water. If no reaction occurs, you are ready to continue with bedtime use. Begin your nightly routine 15 to 30 minutes before you plan to lie down. Scoop a pea-sized amount of sleep balm, about 0.2 grams, onto your fingertip for each area you will treat. Gently massage small circles into each temple, then rub onto both wrists and the base of your neck. Keep the balm away from the eyes and mucous membranes. Do not inhale directly from the jar. Wash your hands immediately after application to prevent accidental eye contact or ingestion. Use the sleep balm nightly as part of a consistent bedtime routine to support relaxation. Store the container below 25 degrees C in a cool, dry place away from heat and direct sunlight for best potency. Replace the lid tightly after each use to prevent contamination and evaporation of essential oils. Discontinue use immediately if skin irritation, redness, or breathing difficulty occurs, and seek medical advice within 24 hours. Avoid use during pregnancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.